Welcome to our deep dive into one of history's most chilling and enduring mysteries, the Beast of Gévaudan. Between 1764 and 1767, the province of Gévaudan in south-central France was gripped by fear. A mysterious creature, known as the Beast of Gévaudan, terrorized the region, leaving a trail of death and mutilation in its wake. The beast was described as a large, wolf-like creature, but with some unsettling and unique characteristics. Witnesses spoke of its reddish fur, a formidable mouth full of sharp teeth, a long tail, and most intriguingly, a distinctive black stripe down its back. The beast's attacks were brutal and swift. It primarily targeted women and children, attacking them in broad daylight. Victims were found with clear signs of an animal attack, and were partly devoured. Over the span of 3 years, the beast is believed to have killed between 60 and 100 people. The panic spread far and wide, reaching the ears of King Louis XV, who sent professional hunters to deal with the menace. Despite their best efforts, the attacks continued. It wasn't until June 1767 that a local hunter, Jean Chastel, claimed to have killed the beast, reportedly using a blessed silver bullet. But what was the Beast of Gévaudan? Theories abound, yet none are conclusive. Let's examine the possibilities. Some suggest it was a large wolf or a wolf-dog hybrid. However, no known large canid species sports a black stripe down its back. Moreover, the ferocity and specific targeting of humans are atypical, raising doubts about this theory. Wolves, as we know them, rarely exhibit the kind of unique markings described by witnesses. While genetic mutations can cause unusual fur patterns, a black stripe down the back has never been reported in any wolf. Furthermore, wolves typically avoid human contact, and large-scale attacks on humans, like those attributed to the beast, are virtually unheard of in recorded history. Rabies could cause unusually aggressive behavior, but an animal with rabies wouldn't survive long enough to account for attacks over 3 years. Exotic animals like hyenas or African painted dogs have also been proposed. Hyenas could explain the brutal attacks and distinctive stripe, but they lack the long tail described by witnesses. The African painted dog, with its mottled fur and relatively small size, doesn't fit the description either, and neither do a bear or a big cat. Bears don't have a long tail, and big cats have retractable claws which don't leave marks in their footprints. The Beast of Gévaudan reportedly left footprints with claw marks. Another theory suggests mass hysteria triggered by attacks from more than one animal. But the scores of deaths were not imagined. They were well documented, and the beast's appearance was too distinctive to be confused with that of regular wolves, with which people were very familiar. Some believe human involvement was at play, since a mysterious hooded figure had been sighted in the forest before some of the killings took place. Could someone have used a trained animal to create chaos? If so, what would the motive be? And why alter the look of a normal wolf? The answers to these questions remain elusive. Perhaps it was a mutant or hybrid creature, a relic of prehistoric times, or even an unknown species. The genetic mutations required for such a creature are unlikely, but not impossible. Historical accounts from other regions sometimes mention mysterious creatures, suggesting that unknown or mutated animals have occasionally crossed paths with humans. Some theories suggest the Beast of Gévaudan might have been a cryptid, an animal unknown to science. These creatures, often rooted in folklore, are said to exist in the shadows, rarely seen and not officially recognized. Alternatively, the beast could have been an animal thought to be extinct, a survivor of a species long forgotten by history. Imagine a creature like the dire wolf, believed to have gone extinct thousands of years ago, somehow surviving into the 18th century. The physical description of the beast aligns in some ways with these ancient predators. While speculative, the possibility adds another layer of intrigue to the mystery. Eyewitness accounts and historical documents are crucial in understanding the beast. Consistent descriptions add credibility to the physical characteristics reported, while variations can offer additional clues. These accounts often depict a creature unlike any known animal, leading to more questions than answers. Modern forensic techniques applied to any remains attributed to the beast could provide new insights. Assuming that the actual beast was indeed killed and that its remains were preserved in a museum. But historical records primarily identified large wolves, with no conclusive evidence of a unique creature ever being killed in Gévaudan. Advances in DNA analysis might one day solve this puzzle, but for now, the mystery remains. The environmental and social context of 18th century Gévaudan is also significant. Scarcity of natural prey and habitat destruction could drive atypical behavior in predators. Superstition and folklore might have amplified the terror, blending myth with reality. The harsh living conditions and widespread belief in supernatural forces likely contributed to the fear and speculation surrounding the beast. The true identity of the Beast of Gévaudan remains a mystery, shrouded in fear, speculation, and the passage of time. Whether it was a large canid, an exotic predator, or something more mysterious, the legend endures, a haunting reminder of the unknown lurking in the shadows of history. Today, Gévaudan is a tranquil region, far removed from the terror that once gripped it. The story of the beast continues to capture the imagination, inspiring books, films, and countless theories. It serves as a testament to the power of folklore and the enduring human fascination with the unknown. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed this exploration, please like and subscribe with all notifications on, so that you won't miss any of our deep dives into history's greatest mysteries. Until next time.